you think you're staying here till 65?
I don't intend to be here in the next year.
There you go.
I don't intend to be in this country. This country is rubbish. No. People are just pretending. No. You're working literally to pay your bills. And it wasn't like that years ago. So when people say, oh, but you're meant to work. Yes, you're meant to work. But when I was looking at some stats, in 1985, the average house price in the UK was £29,000. The average salary was £14,000. Look at this. The average salary was £14,000 in 1985, and the average home was 29 grand. That was just double. The average salary now in the UK is what?
You and your woman could pay that in 4 years.
The average salary now in the UK is roughly about 30 odd K. The average property price in the UK now is 240 something for a house. It's 10 times nearly. It wasn't like that. Meant to be on right now, technically, is if the average is 240, if we was to keep with the level or the ratio back then, we should be on about 100K.
Yeah.
If the average was 100K, who would be stressed right now?
No one.
No one.
We should have 140K.
We're finished.
Yeah, we're finished.
This country, we're working just to pay bills.
Bro.
This country's finished. Okay. Do you live by yourself?
No, I live with my mum.
Okay. Look at what you earn now as a 24-year-old. One would argue and say you earn a decent wage for your age, for what you do.
Yeah.
Just imagine you stepped out your mum's house and now you jumped into my shoes.
Yeah.
Of just say you're paying 1350 or even paying 1200.
Yeah.
You calculate all of your expenses now. What would you have left?
So I'd probably break even, just be on zero. I could
You're working full time.
Yeah, more than full time. Yeah.
Bro, people don't understand the problem we've got now. You're working. Imagine working full time.
I ain't never saved my bills on camera.
Mate.
You know what I'm saying?
It's a mess.
Because if I save my bills on camera, people are gonna dive in the Thames. Yeah,
It's like
you just have to firm it.
as a pro. There's like the civil plays and the Femela Bushes. They go to war. They riot. We're not doing that here. No one wants to go to jail. So there's nothing that's going to happen here.
Yeah.
Like the banks are in control. There's nothing that's going to happen. What they did, mess up the economy, gave away a whole heap of free money. When you do what they call quantitative easing, what happens is that the value of everything goes down, inflation goes up, and this is the problem we've got now. We're in trouble. And I don't say this lightly, that everyone's got to figure out what they're doing, because you cannot be working full time as a grown adult and have nothing left. You haven't done anything fancy. You haven't gone to any West End restaurant in Mayfair. You're just paying your bills. No. I'm out of this place. I'm out of this place. I'm not here long. And then even the people's temperament, people are not happy. There's no money in circulation. Like even just when people have money, you can put money into there. Like I used to get a haircut every week. It's every 2 weeks now. I'm not paying for a haircut. I'm not paying £30 every single week. And these are little things that people don't realise is now, even the barber now who might have been getting that £30 of me every week is now not getting 120 a month, he's now getting 60 a month. Like there's no money.
Bro,
rubbish.
Do you think